if fxy equals to ln set y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4, find f sub x and f sub y. Hence, prove that x times f sub x over y plus f sub y equals to 2 over y. So we have fxy equals to ln set y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4. Before we can find f sub x and f sub y, we can use the law of log to make differentiation easier. Ln a to the power of b can be written as b ln a. So for ln set y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4, we can write down as 1 over 2 times ln y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. Let us find f sub x. So the log rules is, if we have ln fx, we can differentiate as differentiate f prime x divide with fx. So for f sub x, write down the constant 1 over 2, then differentiate ln y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4 with respect to x. We're going to get 8x to the power of 3 divided with y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. Let us simplify. 1 over 2 times 8x to the power of 3. We're going to get 4x to the power of 3 divided with y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. Now let us find f sub y. So we're going to use the same rules. So write down the constant 1 over 2. Then differentiate y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4 with respect to y. We're going to get 4y to the power of 3 divide with y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. Simplify 1 over 2 with 4y to the power of 3 is 2y to the power of 3 divided with y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. Now let's prove that x f times f sub x over y plus f sub y equals to 2 over y. So x times f sub x over y plus f sub y. Let us substitute. So I'm going to write down x times 1 over y as x over y, and the f sub x, substitute 4x cubed divide with y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4 plus f sub y, which is 2y to the power of 3 divided with y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. So if we equalize the denominator, we should multiply 2y to the power of 3 over y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4 with y over y. So we can write down as, let us expand this x with 4x to the power of 3. We're going to get 4x to the power of 4 divide with, now we have the same denominator now, y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4 plus with 2y, y to the power of 3 times y is 2y to the power of 4. So let us factorize 2 out. So I'm gonna exchange the place. So here is y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4. So if I expand again, 2y to the power of 4 here, and 4 x to the power 4 here. Divide with y times y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4. If I simplify this numerator and denominator of y to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4, I'm going to get 1. And we're going to get 2 over y, just like on the right hand side. So, proved.